Introducing the Dynolight coaxial lighting models AM7515MT2A, AM7515MT4A, and AM7515MT8A. These 5-megapixel Dynolight Edge series microscope cameras feature built-in coaxial lighting in the same compact form factor of other Dynolight models. The 3 coaxial lighting models vary in magnification range only. Through the flexible LED control, users are able to switch between bright field or dark field modes, revealing more details than with any standard light source. Here are some examples of the difference between bright field and dark field modes using coaxial lighting. By using coaxial lighting, you're able to see a drastic change in viewable details on the surface of these viewing objects. Micro scratches and other tiny details on hard-to-view surfaces such as glass lenses can be viewed with these models. The included software and its features such as measurement and lighting adjustments increase viewing and inspection effectiveness. Here are some of the very useful accessories for these coaxial models. Having a stand with fine adjustment is necessary for higher magnifications to help with focused adjustment. The Dynolight coaxial lighting models are another great tool for inspection of the tiniest details that might otherwise go undetected. For more information, visit us at www.dynolight.us.